Garlic. Garlic, a humble bulb that's been cultivated for over 5,000 years, is not just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in sulfur, iodine, selenium, B-complex vitamins, and amino acids, garlic has long been used for its medicinal properties. The secret lies in allicin, the active component released when garlic is crushed or chewed, giving it that distinctive odor and potent healing abilities. Let's explore how garlic works wonders for our health. Vasodilator. Garlic has a natural vasodilator effect, meaning it helps widen blood vessels. This can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with high blood pressure, as it may help improve circulation and reduce the strain on the heart. Anti-coagulant. Garlic's anti-coagulant properties prevent blood from clotting too easily. This is especially important for those with circulatory issues or high blood pressure, as it may reduce the risk of serious conditions like heart attacks or strokes. Cholesterol reduction. Garlic may play a role in lowering cholesterol levels, which is vital for individuals struggling with high cholesterol or atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by hardened arteries. Anti-fungal. Garlic's anti-fungal abilities can help combat conditions like candida, thrush, and athlete's foot, offering a natural way to fight off these common infections. Immune support. Regular consumption of garlic can bolster the immune system, helping to ward off colds, flu, and other infections, making it a natural defender of your health. Anti-parasitic. Garlic's anti-parasitic action may protect against harmful parasites like worms, keeping your digestive system in check. Decongestant. Suffering from sinus congestion or bronchitis, garlic acts as a natural decongestant, clearing up the upper respiratory tract and providing relief. Antihistamine. For those with seasonal allergies like hay fever, garlic's antihistamine properties can offer relief, reducing the severity of symptoms. Works well with echinacea for cold and flu-related symptoms. Cod liver oil supports cardiovascular health and helps with high blood pressure and cholesterol. Lecithin assists in lowering cholesterol. Vitamin A aids in respiratory conditions like cough, sinusitis, and catarrh. Vitamin C boosts immune support and protects from oxidative stress. Quercetin helps with allergies such as hay fever. Caprylic acid, effective against fungal infections. Vitamin B complex with biotin supports treatment of fungal infections like candida. Top tip: garlic is a natural decongestant and even repels insects. However, if you're worried about the smell, combining it with parsley can help mask the odor. But remember, the odorless variety won't work for these benefits. Safety note: garlic should not be taken alongside prescription blood thinners or platelet-inhibiting medications. Always consult with your healthcare provider before adding any supplement to your routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Vital Elixir. Stay healthy and stay informed.